Hello viewers! Today with Teen Donovan, we're going to be making some stuffed bell peppers. But first, like and subscribe. Alright, we'll start by taking these beautiful bell peppers and we're going to cut them in half. You can choose which half you would like to cut. I went from top to bottom. And we'll remove the insides. And we'll add those into the dish. From there, we'll just brush on a little olive oil. And into the oven they go for 10 minutes at 350. I've taken 2 garlic cloves, and we're going to smash them and chop them up. We'll continue with chopping up some onion. And we'll add that to the Henkel's pan that I'm using to saute with a little bit of olive oil. Alright, and we'll stir that around, let that sweat for a little bit. And then we'll add the beef. You could use sausage, but I'm using beef. We'll add some sea salt, black pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, and just a smidge of Italian dressing. Alright, we'll let that continue to cook. And it's time to add some diced tomatoes. Last but not least, a little jasmine rice to the mix. Alright, now that that's all done cooking, it's filling time. Let's add some cheese. And if you're feeling a little fancy, some parmesan cheese on top, just to top it off. And back to the oven they go, this time for 30 minutes at 350. And bam! We got some delicious looking stuffed bell peppers. Only thing left to do is enjoy.